What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm showing you the Screamin Eagle Stage IV kit 117 CI to 131 CI. This Stage IV kit was engineered and tested as a complete collection of high-performance components by the Screamin Eagle pros at Harley-Davidson. This combination is designed for wide-open throttle along with high-end RPMs, a significant torque increase and instant passing power from a cruising speed. It delivers a whopping 131 horsepower and 139 foot-pounds of torque to the rear wheel. It features the finest Screamin Eagle components, many of which were informed by extensive testing by the Harley-Davidson factory racing team for the King of the Baggers racing series. This kit includes all new Screamin Eagle Extreme CNC ported cylinder heads, a 68mm throttle body and a new cast 68mm intake manifold. You also get the SE8 550 high lift cam and 6.8 grams per second fuel injectors for maximum air and fuel flow. New forged high compression pistons and rings are built to handle increased combustion forces. Plus, you're getting high performance tappets and patent protected 4.31-inch steel sleeve cylinders. This kit is engineered for performance from top to bottom. The kit is finished off with the iconic Screamin Eagle and Stage IV badging on the cylinder heads and timer cover. On top of all that, this powerful upgrade can be installed without removing the engine from the chassis. Screamin Eagle products are not available for sale and are not street legal in all countries. Please contact your local dealership for more information. Check the website to make sure this kit is compatible with your touring model Harley-Davidson. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.